Hello, and welcome to the Graduate Studies Thesis Project Dissertation Template Formatting Orientation. In this video, we will be demonstrating how to input information into Template B. First thing you will do is access our Canvas module labeled Required Submission Documents. Click on Template B and download the Word document onto your computer and open it through the desktop version. The first page of Template B is the Table of Contents. The Table of Contents are set up using leader dots. You can turn on leader dots by going to the Home tab and clicking on this icon under Paragraph. When inputting chapter titles and headings into the Table of Contents, it is essential you do not use periods for formatting. If you use periods instead of leader dots, the page numbers will not align, as periods have different spacing than leader dots. To add information into the Table of Contents, type the title or heading and add the page number. If you need to add another line, place your cursor after the pound sign and press Enter. Then press the Tab button until you have aligned the text. Type the heading, press Tab, and press Tab again, then type in the page number. When typing in chapter titles and headings, please make sure they match the ones in the body of your paper. If you don't have a dedication or acknowledgements, please remove them from the Table of Contents. The Table of Contents is already formatted to accommodate only Level 0 chapter headings and Level 1 headings. You do not need to add Level 2 headings. Please consult the university guidelines on page 10 for more information on headings. After you have added your chapter titles and Level 1 headings, please make sure you enter the page number where your references begin and add any appendices that are included in your paper. If you do not have any appendices, please delete this section from your Table of Contents. Now, while we are doing the Table of Contents at the beginning, we are doing this for the sake of the video. In reality, it is useful to have the Table of Contents be the last thing you finish, as locations can shift as you copy and paste your information. After the Table of Contents, you will have an abstract. This should be a brief paragraph that is not indented and describes the content of your paper. Once you have completed your abstract, the body of your paper will begin. The body of your paper is divided into chapters. Each chapter will begin on a separate page and have a Level 0 heading with its title. Template B is designed to have a space where you copy and paste your paper's information in chunks. As such, it is best to copy and paste your paper section by section or chapter by chapter. This will ensure that the formatting in your template is not overridden. You will notice that each chapter ends with a section break. This is a necessary component to the template as it helps keep the page numbering accurate. Page numbers will be located on the bottom center of every page in Template B. Now that you have a basic overview of what a chapter looks like, we will now go over an example of copying and pasting into the template. First, copy the information from your original page that you are looking to put in the template. Now highlight the information in Template B that you are looking to get rid of. Right-click and select Paste. This will add the information while maintaining Template B's formatting. Template B is equipped with a total of 5 chapters, but should you need more, you can copy and paste a previous chapter. Once you have done that, you will need to insert a section break. You can do this by placing your cursor where you want the section break to go. Then navigate to the Layout tab, select the Breaks drop-down menu, and select Next Page underneath Section Breaks. This will insert a section break. After you have finished adding your information to the body of Template B, you have the References section. This section begins with the title page shown here. Do not delete this title page. After this title page is a spot where your references begin. Do not delete the section break that is at the end of the references. For more information on how to format your references, please consult the university guidelines and your program guidelines. After the references section, you have the appendix. This will also have a title page that should not be deleted. If you have more than one appendix, this title page should be labeled Appendices. Otherwise, it is labeled Appendix. Each appendix starts on its own page and is labeled in alphabetical order. Once you label the appendix, you may place the title of it and enter any information that belongs there. Now that you have completed the template, save your file in two formats, as Word doc and a PDF file. Click File and Save As. Please save your document as last name, first name, template B. For example, Doe Jane, template B. It is important to keep a copy of template B as a Word document in case you need to make any edits to this section of your paper. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please schedule a 15-minute consultation using BookMe.